Hey you guys, what's up? What's going on? It's Amber Higgins coming at you live from Charleston, South Carolina. As you're hopping on, say hi, say hello. Today I want to talk to you guys about ripping the freaking Band-Aid off. So before we get into the actual video, make sure you guys share this live out for your chance to win my weekly prize pack giveaway. All you have to do is tap the little arrow button, comment, share it in the comments below whenever you're done, and stay tuned to my stories for the winner every single week. So I want to talk to you guys today a little bit about like being scared, being nervous, having this anxious feeling, like feeling major anxiety about ripping the actual Band-Aid off, and in whatever capacity that looks like for you. That could be in terms of business, starting your own business, or you're currently in a business, but you're like kind of like dipping your toes into your business. Or maybe this could be ripping the Band-Aid off of like leaving a toxic relationship, or ripping the Band-Aid off of starting an actual health journey and stop dancing around the bush. You know what I mean? So say hi. Hey, Natalie. Hey, Nicole. Hey, Katie. Hey, El Breezy. What's up, baby? Hey, Kathy. Say hi. Say hello. Y'all let me know in the comments below where you're watching from. I love to see how far my live videos go. I think it's really, really, really cool. So let's get right into it. So for those of you who are new to watching me, drop new in the comments below. I want to give you guys a little bit of a backstory, because this video can pertain to quite literally anybody in the world. You don't have to run your own business. You don't have to be on a health journey. You don't have to be going through a breakup. You don't have to be going through anything. This literally pertains to life in general. So 3.5 years ago, I'm gonna kind of correlate this to, cause what it relates to me is in terms of business, health, and my recent breakup with my 12-year relationship. So I'm gonna relate it to what it relates to me. You guys can relate it to whatever it relates to you. Okay? Is that a deal? If that's a deal, drop deal in the comments below. Hi Chris. Hey Willie. Hi Bisma. Hey Samantha from Ohio. What's up from Bakersfield? Where is that? Brooklyn. Where's Bakersfield? Anyways, 3.5 years ago, I made a really scary decision to rip the Band-Aid off and start my own online business. And so I get questions all the time, Amber, what do you do? Like, how do you make 6 figures from your phone in the comfort of your home? How do you get to travel all the time? Like, can you please give me the inside scoop? So I want to give you guys a little bit of more backstory as to how I started this and how you can start this too. And so if at any point during this live video you want to learn how to make money from your phone, from social media, from TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, all of these apps, drop a $ in the comments below, okay? So 3.5 years ago, I came across my friend that I actually know in person. Her name is Kelsey. You guys see us go live all the time. She's one of my really best friends. Really best friends? That didn't make no sense. Anyway, she's one of my best friends, and I saw her starting her own online business, and I was like, what is this crazy girl doing? She's like going live on Facebook. I'm like, girly girl, what the actual heck are you doing? Like, you're looking like a fool. You're looking a little crazy. Did you go cuckoo? Do we need to send you to a sane asylum? Like, that was my thoughts when I came across her. But then I started watching her. I started watching her grow, not even just like in her weight loss journey, her fat loss journey, her fitness journey, growing her booty, all of the things, right? But I saw her growing as a person. I saw her shifting her mindset. I saw her like developing her brain in a way that I've never even was introduced to before. And so I was intrigued. I was like, what is she doing? She's making money online. She transformed her entire body. She's becoming a better version of herself. She's like hanging out with all of these really like high level entrepreneurs, making a lot of money. And I was like, I want to be a part of that. Now you can say whatever you want about online businesses. You can say whatever it is. Like, trust me, I was there. I used to talk about it. I used to be like, oh my God, what is this? This is like a cult. This is like a scheme. This is like a pyramid. This is Ibalib. Like, I was that person, okay? And so if you don't like MLM or online businesses or network marketing or whatever, I want you to like honestly keep an open mind here. And if you're not willing to keep an open mind, just keep scrolling, okay? This video is not for you, and I still love you, but like, this is for people who actually want to change their lives and want to actually open up their mind to different opportunities. This is 2023. The new way to make multiple 6 figures a year is through social media and through online marketing. And so anyways, I started this business 3.5 years ago, really scared, really nervous. I had no freaking idea what the heck I was doing, Quasia. Okay, oh my God, Quasia has been on every single live of mine today. She is the GOAT of the day. Quasia, we love you. Anyways, speaking of the devil, Kelsey's on here. Hi, Kelsey Ray. Hello, Kaylin. Hey, Glenna. Say hi. As you guys are hopping on, say hello. Anyways, so I started this really scared, really nervous. And what I did is most people, what they do when they start an online business or whenever they start a health journey or whenever they know they're in a really bad toxic relationship and they need to get out. They need to start this business because they need money. Like, you're literally struggling to pay your bills. You're really struggling to even put food in your stomach. This was me 3.5 years ago. I decided to rip the freaking Band-Aid off. I decided to use a little bit of my rent money to start my online business, and I am so freaking grateful that I did. And I'm not telling you to do that, okay? Don't twist up my words. I'm not telling you to go broke to start your own business, but what I'm saying is get uncomfortable and experience a little bit of the pain and discomfort for now so that you can have a long-term success. Okay, are you guys getting the correlation here? If this is making sense and you guys are like getting some fire out of this, some value, drop a fire emoji in the comments below, okay? I was struggling financially. I was struggling mentally. I was struggling physically. I was severely overweight. I was really depressed. Like, I was in a dark hole that I had dug myself. Okay? And some of you guys are there right now, and I need you to understand that you came across this live video for a reason. And I don't say that just to be like, watch this, listen to what I'm saying. I'm saying that for a freaking reason. Like, sometimes what you guys are doing, and I'll speak for myself because I was doing this too. I would have opportunities presented to me like this, and I would just immediately close the door. I would immediately keep scrolling like, that's not for me. No. Nope. I don't do social media. I don't like social media. Like, I'm supposed to work a 9-to-5 job. This is what my parents told me is normal. This is what society has told me is normal. This is what I'm supposed to be doing. But one day I had like an awakening, if you want to call it that. And I was like, you know what? Like, I don't really understand why I'm working 2 full-time jobs. I'm working 80 hours a week. For those of you who don't know, I was a medical assistant. You guys can let me know, what do you guys do for work in the comments below? I'm just curious. Hey, Naya. Hey, Amanda Jo. Hey, Tempest. Hey, Marcos. Bisma, what's up? Hey, Cherokee. Hi, baby girl. Anyways, I got a lot of new friends on here, and I'm just so excited that they're literally on every single live of mine today. That just makes me so freaking happy. Okay, payroll specialist, stay-at-home mom. I love it. I love this. I love this. Insurance. Okay, cool. If at any point you guys want to learn more, drop a $sign in the comments below, okay? So anyways, I was a medical assistant. I was barely able to pay my bills. And one day I had an awakening and I was like, you know what? This is absolutely not normal. It is not normal for me to struggle to pay my rent. It is not normal for me to struggle to put food in my stomach. This is not normal. Like, I'm literally working as many hours as you could possibly work, and I'm still struggling. This is not freaking normal. I don't care who tells me this is normal. I don't care who's proud of me. I am not proud of the situation that I am in. Okay, for the longest time, I would get pats on the back like, yeah, you're doing a great job. You got your own apartment. You got your own car. Like, you're doing a good job. But in reality, I was not doing a good job. I was struggling and I was stressed the hell out. Okay, like, I'm going to post a picture of me in my stories on Instagram. You guys should go watch my stories if you don't already on Instagram. My handle is the Amber Higgins, the same as TikTok. It's linked in my profile, okay? I'm going to post a picture of myself before I started this business, and you're literally going to be able to tell. I'm going to put a picture of me today and a picture of me 3.5 years ago. I don't even look the same. I'm a different human being through and through. Like, quite literally, I don't have the same mindset. My body looks completely different. My face looks different. I'm just different. My confidence is obviously different. My financial situation, my living situation, everything has completely changed. And it's because I said yes, and I ripped the Band-Aid off 3.5 years ago, and I'm scared of. I was really freaking scared. Not only did I rip the Band-Aid off to starting my own business, I ripped the Band-Aid off to starting a health journey. I ripped the Band-Aid off of starting my business. And just recently, I ripped the freaking Band-Aid off of leaving a toxic relationship that was holding me back. And so I am the epiphany. I am the prime example of ripping the mother effing Band-Aid off. Some of you guys are quite literally sitting in the pain. You're sitting in the discomfort of not being able to provide for yourself or your family. You're sitting in the pain of not being able to travel when that's something that makes you happy. Like, why are you sitting in this pain? You're like, this is a Band-Aid. Hold on. I don't know. This is a Band-Aid, okay? And you're like, you're like rip it a little bit and then you put it back. You're like, damn, that hurts. Or like you get a little uncomfortable. You comment on my live that makes you uncomfortable. You're like kind of ripping it, and then I message you and you ghost me. That's like putting the Band-Aid back on. Like, what the hell is that about, y'all? What the hell are you guys commenting and asking me information for business for, and then you ghost me? What does that make any sense for? I know you're scared. I know you're nervous. I know you don't know what to do. I know you're like, oh my God, this is different. This is weird. People are going to think I'm weird. People, blah, 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 all the things, right? I said the same thing, okay? Oh my God, there's a Bandaid emoji. Shut up. I need all 400 of you guys watching across TikTok and Facebook to drop me a Bandaid emoji in the comments below if you are ready to rip the freaking Bandaid off. I'm so serious, okay? So what you're doing is you are prolonging the pain. You are prolonging the financial stress. You're prolonging your mental health. You're prolonging your physical health because you're too afraid to rip the Bandaid off. Like, guys, what is the worst that could happen? You freaking soar. You lose all the weight that you want to lose. You freaking make 6 figures a year like me on social media. You thrive and you become the best version of yourself because you leave a toxic relationship and then you attract somebody who's way better for you, who is way sexier, who is financially stable, and who treats you like a princess. Like, why are you, like, barely ripping the Band-Aid off all this for years? For years. Anyways, I just had this I don't know, something came over me and was like, you need to go live and talk about the fucking Band-Aid. Excuse my language, but not actually, because this is just me, okay? If you guys like the real, raw, red version of Amber Higgins, drop a heart in the comments below, because sometimes I try to dim myself down because people make comments like, why do you say the F-bomb? I don't know, it's just a part of who the F I am, you know what I mean? If you like me, you like me. If you don't like me, bye. I don't mean that in a rude or condescending way. I'm just this is who I am. And if you don't like me, that's okay. There is somebody for you out there, and I hope that you find them. And if you think that I'm for you, you like my personality, you like the way I talk, you like the way I present, drop a heart in the comments below, because I love that. Y'all just y'all are making me feel so loved. Look at all the hearts in the comments below. Y'all are amazing. Anyways, so I wanted to come on here and share my story with you guys. I wanted to let you guys know that you are the problem in your life. Ouch. Ouch. I'm sorry, Allison. I had to be the one to tell you, Samantha. You are the one causing the pain in your life. Because you keep doing this number where you're like, ow, that shit hurts, and then you put it back. Ah, that hurts. Oh my God, it's uncomfortable to talk to her about starting a business because it's going to cost me money up front. Hello, newsflash. Any business that you start is going to cost money, okay? It's going to cost money. But would you, this is just a question. If you could trade $500 to $1,000 for multiple 6 figures a year, would you do it? If you would trade $500 to $1,000 for multiple 6 figures, if over time, okay, not right away, do not ever expect to make money right away, okay, in any business, in any capacity, okay? Drop a $sign in the comments below if you would willingly trade $500 to $1,000 for multiple 6 figures a year. You're literally staring at the person who did this 3.5 years ago. It took me 2 years to make 6 figures. This is the last thing I'm going to say, and then I'm going to get off of here. Okay? Because there are so many people in this world who are, one of my friends, he is $95,000 in debt because of school. He's $95,000 in debt because of school, and when he told me that, my jaw dropped. I'm like, okay, so essentially, what you did is you paid $95,000 to unlock a job where I don't even know how much he's making, okay? He is a paralegal, okay? He went to school for criminal justice. He traded $95,000 to lock in this job, but you're not willing to pay $500 to $1,000 to change your entire life and make multiple 6 figures a year. I don't understand the logic behind it. I'm not saying that college is a scam. I'm not saying that you shouldn't go to college. What I'm saying is that there are people, engineers, who are paying hundreds of thousands of dollars for their education, and they're making what? I don't even know what an engineer makes. Y'all, this is a bad analogy because I don't even know. Let's talk about doctor. Doctors are hundreds of thousands of dollars in debt because of school. And what, they're making $250,000 a year? They're making practically nothing so they can pay their student loans off. Please tell me how that makes any freaking sense, but you're not willing to pay $500 to start an online business where you can literally, the income potential is unlimited. How does that make freaking sense? It doesn't make sense. You can't make it make sense because the math is not mathing, you guys. Hi, Katie, hey, Vanessa, hey, Alicia. Don't forget to say hi as you guys are hopping on, okay? So anyways, I'm gonna get off of here. I just wanted to share that. Something came over me and was like, the freaking Band-Aid. They're not ripping off the Band-Aid because they're scared, they're nervous, they're anxious, they don't know what to expect. That is normal. That is normal. That is called you getting uncomfortable, and the only way to grow and to become the best version of yourself is to put yourself in very uncomfortable situations. So 3.5 years ago, I bought a kit for $700. I used $700 of my $1,600 rent, and I was like, well, put myself in a very uncomfortable predicament. I was like, listen, I gotta make this $700 back fast. Because if I don't, I'm gonna be in a bad situation. So you know what? I put myself in a tight pickle, and I gave myself no other option but to make it work. So sometimes I think that's what we need to do. I think what you need to do is you need to put yourself in an uncomfortable situation where you're like, okay, $500, $1,000. This girl says she's going to coach me. She's going to train me. She's going to teach me how to build a brand on social media. She's going to teach me how to build a following. She's going to teach me how to monetize the following. It's not going to happen overnight, but if I can give it time, if I can be consistent, if I can get uncomfortable every single day, if I can show up to trainings and learn and implement and put it on repeat and practice every single day and never give up, and I can trade my $1,000 for multiple 6 figures a year, and then I'll be able to quit my job, and then I'll be able to travel the world like I want to, then I'll be able to provide for my family the way that I keep saying that I want to, but I'm not taking any action towards, like, yo, drop a $ in the comments below. Like, I am so serious. I am willing to help 30 people this month. 30, that's my capacity. 30, okay? 30, there's literally 400 people on the live right now. Drop a $ in the comments below if you want to learn how I can be your mentor and teach you literally the ropes of how to use social media to become a multiple six-figure earner. Okay? Anyways, make sure you guys share the video if you haven't shared it out already. Tap shared or comment shared in the comments below for your chance to win my weekly giveaway. If you're on TikTok, you have to send me a $ on Instagram. Like, I keep forgetting this. I'm so sorry. TikTok banned me from sending messages on TikTok. I don't know why. I send out too many messages. They think that I'm a scammer. They think that they think I'm a red flag. They have a red flag by my name. I'm just kidding. But I get too many incoming messages, so they blocked it. That was freaking rude, right? If you think that's rude, drop rude in the comments below, because I think that's really rude, because I've been trying to make new friends, and like, they are trying to stop me from making new friends. So what I need you to do is go to my profile, follow me on Instagram, message me a $ on Instagram, okay? As soon as I get off of here, I'm gonna eat dinner, and then I'll be responding to all of your messages, and we're gonna get you started tonight, okay? Like, stop barely ripping the Band-Aid off and experiencing a little bit of a discomfort and a little bit of pain, and rip the mother freaker off and go for it. Like, what is the worst that could happen? Quite literally, what is the worst that could happen? I think some of us, we get too deep into our heads. We get too deep into the what if. But like, what if you fly? What if you're like me 3 years ago? I had no idea that I would be standing right here living in my own house that I pay for every single month. I pay all the bills. I'm literally by myself. I'm in this big ass freaking house by myself. I drive a paid for Range Rover that's a piece of shit, and it's in the shop. It's been in the shop for 17 months. That's besides the fact. Anyway, like, and I'm traveling to Germany this month because I want to and because I can. So anyways, the opportunity is there. This is me extending my hand out to shake your hand and say, I will literally help you. I am agreeing to help you. I will teach you everything. You don't have to know anything. Just all I need from you is be hungry for success, hungry for more, willing to get uncomfortable, and willing to listen to what I have to say. Listen to me, do what I say, and get uncomfortable, and I promise you the rest will be history. Anyways, I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Thanks for hopping on. Make sure you guys message me a $ over on Instagram. If you're on Facebook, actually, it would really help me out a lot if you message me a $ on Facebook too. So I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Thanks for listening to me talk about the Band-Aid. If you're going to rip off the Band-Aid, drop a Band-Aid in the comments below. Like, it's time. It's time. You've been stalling for way too long, okay? You've been stalling for too long. I love you. I appreciate you. Hope y'all have a great day, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye, y'all.